Hello, everyone. Today, we're going on a journey around the world to explore animal habitats, the natural homes of animals. Every animal needs a place where it can find food, water, shelter, and space. That special place is called a habitat. Let's take a closer look at the major types of habitats and the amazing animals that live in each one. Rainforest. Rainforests are warm, wet, and full of life. They get a lot of rain, sometimes over 200 days a year. Towering trees, thick vines, and lush plants make this a perfect place for animals like monkeys, toucans, tree frogs, and jaguars. The rainforest has layers: the emergent layer, canopy, understory, and forest floor. And different animals live in different layers depending on their needs. More than half of the world's animal species live in rainforests. Rainforests are mainly found near the equator, especially in the Amazon rainforest in South America, the Congo Basin in Africa, Southeast Asia, including Indonesia and Malaysia, Desert. Deserts are dry places with very little rain. They can be extremely hot during the day and freezing cold at night. But animals here are tough survivors. Camels store fat in their humps to go without food or water for days. Fennec foxes have big ears that help them stay cool. Plants like cacti have thick skins and store water to survive the heat. Some desert animals are nocturnal, meaning they come out only at night when it's cooler. Some major deserts include the Sahara Desert in Africa, the Arabian Desert in the Middle East, the Gobi Desert in Asia, Thar Desert, India, the Outback in Australia, Ocean. Oceans cover over 70% of the Earth's surface. They're salty and full of life, from tiny plankton to the massive blue whale. There are different ocean zones: shallow coastal areas, coral reefs, deep open ocean, and even dark, freezing deep sea trenches. Animals like dolphins, jellyfish, sharks, octopuses, and colorful coral reef fish live here, each adapted to their underwater world. The ocean is so deep that we've explored less than 10% of it. Oceans are found all around the globe. The 5 major oceans are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, around Antarctica, the Arctic Ocean, Arctic, polar regions. The Arctic and Antarctic are cold, icy habitats where temperatures can drop far below freezing. Animals like polar bears, Arctic foxes, and walruses live in the North Arctic, while penguins are found in the South Antarctica. They have special adaptations like thick fur, layers of fat called blubber, and the ability to survive in freezing conditions. The Arctic is the area around the North Pole, covering parts of Canada, Greenland, Russia, Alaska, and Norway. The Antarctic is the continent at the South Pole and is mostly covered by ice. Grasslands, savannas and prairies. Grasslands are wide open areas with few trees. They get just enough rain for grasses to grow, but not enough for forests. These lands are home to large herds of animals like zebras, elephants, bison, lions, and antelope. Because there's so much open space, many animals here are fast runners to escape predators. The African savanna is one of the best-known grasslands and is home to the famous Big Five. Savannas are found in Africa, especially East Africa. Prairies are found in North America. Steppes are in Asia. Pampas are found in South America. Mountains. High up in the mountains, the air is cooler and thinner. The landscape is rocky and often covered in snow. Animals that live here, like mountain goats, snow leopards, and eagles, are excellent climbers. They've adapted to steep slopes, cold weather, and less oxygen. Snow leopards have long tails that help them balance and keep warm. Mountain habitats can be found in the Himalayas, Asia, the Rocky Mountains, North America, the Andes, South America, the Alps, Europe. Freshwater, rivers, lakes, and ponds. Freshwater habitats include rivers, streams, lakes, and ponds. They're not salty like the ocean. Animals like frogs, beavers, otters, ducks, and freshwater fish live here. Some animals like frogs and dragonflies start their lives in water and later move to land. Freshwater habitats are found everywhere, on every continent except Antarctica. Major rivers include the Amazon River in South America, the Nile River in Africa, the Mississippi River in North America, the Yangtze River in Asia, Forests. Temperate forests. Forests are full of trees and change with the seasons. Warm in the summer, cold in the winter. Animals like bears, deer, owls, foxes, and raccoons make their homes here. Some animals hibernate during the winter, while others grow thicker fur. Trees in temperate forests lose their leaves in autumn to save energy during the cold winter months. Temperate forests are found in North America, eastern US and Canada, Europe, East Asia, like parts of China, Japan, and Korea, New Zealand and parts of Australia. Why habitats matter? Every animal depends on its habitat for survival. But many habitats are being damaged by pollution, deforestation, and climate change. When habitats are destroyed, animals lose their homes. That's why protecting habitats is so important. It helps protect the animals that live in them. Thanks for joining us on this habitat adventure. Now you know that every animal has a place to call home, and each habitat is full of life and wonder. Let's do our part to take care of nature and protect the amazing places animals live. See you next time.